welcome to the vlog. Hi. We just got back from shopping. It's Wednesday, the camera goes on, the dog starts drinking, of course. That collar. I know, but Bubby, come on. Alright, I feel like we went to so many places today, but we didn't. We only went to 4 different stores. And I felt like we got so much, but I guess Maddie already dropped her stuff off. So I forgot about that.
I thought you might have.
I was like, wow, it's like we hardly got anything, but then we got that too. So we went to the usual suspects today. We went to Sam's Club. I do this like housewife up here so I don't look old. Or I don't look as old. I'm out of breath too because we just unloaded the car. And I have to hurry because I got to pick up Sean in a little while. We went to Sam's, of course. Sam's has really been giving lately.
Yeah.
It's been giving big time.
Yeah. I finally got another pair of the jeans that I love.
Yeah, you got the Aeropostale jeans. $16.
Yeah.
In a different wash. Same ones that you're wearing right now.
The originals right now.
Yeah.
Now I got the lighter wash.
Yeah.
I really like these jeans.
The lighter wash is going to be perfect for the spring and summer. After Sam's Club, we went to Target. They were open this week. If you remember last week, if you're a watcher, a friend, a fam, Target was closed because there was a fire at the mall.
It seemed like everything was okay when we went today.
Well, I mean, we didn't go to every nook and cranny.
Yeah.
But
I didn't notice any damage or anything.
I didn't notice any damage, but it's been over a whole week already. So, I mean, they had a lot of time to get, ServPro in there and clean up. They were still working, on the outside of the building. They probably working on structural things.
Yeah.
Which is great. So, after Sam's, Target, Michael's, of course. We're not going to talk about it on this video. It's for the other video. We got some Santa sacks full of stuff. Target's got some good Christmas markdowns right now. They could be better. They were 70%. I like to do 80 or 90. Because I'm cheap as hell. And then we went to Aldi. And we got some stuff. Obviously. So Sam's Club, we got the most today. We got some we got birthday presents for each other. And of course, they had to match. Here's a little preview of it. We love the Olympics. Those remind me of the Ralph Lauren teddy bear sweaters. But they're not Ralph Lauren. I'm pretty sure they're Member's Mark. Which is fine. Kristen just sent me an article the other day. About how Sam's Club's house brand is getting rid of artificial flavors and colors and stuff, which is amazing. Good for them. It's about time. I've been asking for that for years. Also, we got water. We could not pass up. Even though we both just bought wipes, we got the Cottonelle box, the giant box of wipes, because it was 10 and change. Normal price, almost 15. So, that was amazing. I've been going through a lot of Downy Unstoppables because Lammy's been doing her thing, painting the house with her pee-pee. So, not anymore though, thankfully, knock wood. But I did have to do a lot of laundry, let me tell you. And when she goes to the bathroom, she just doesn't go on one thing. She goes on a pile of things, so it goes down through the layers. So I have to wash everything, of course. Got more of the ON protein shake because that's going to be on sale, I think, until the 25th. Got some more Groons because I really love those. And that price is not going to stay around forever. So I think that's everything that we got. Nope, it's not everything that we got. I got some more Himalayan sea salt because I was all out of it. I know. When I told Mark that we needed more sea salt, he was like, but wait, we have all this. No, we don't. We ate it all. I got some Spanglish Asadero Carne Asada seasoning. I'm tired of regular taco seasoning. This looks exciting. So I'm excited to try this. It also came in what's the one with the
Is
B?
it Berea?
Birria?
I don't know how to say it.
I think it's birria.
RRIA.
Right. And fajita. And I said, I like carne asada. I'm going to try this one. The artwork, 10 out of 10. I don't know what it tastes like, though. I'm sure it's good. You eat with your eyes first, right? You shop with your eyes. They also have these tortilla protein chips that are accidentally vegan. 7 grams of protein per serving. Fantastic. Yeah, they were a little pricey, but I wanted to try them. Plant-based, gluten-free, certified B Corp. Nice. Wonderful. And that is it. Okay, that's it. After that, we went to Target. I got some of this Starbucks refresher concentrate because if it helps me drink water, it's 10 out of 10. And some icing because my birthday's coming up and I like chocolate icing on chocolate cake.
Yeah.
That's my favorite. I think that's all I got at Target. I didn't get a lot.
Yeah, we didn't get it done.
No. Then we went to Aldi, my favorite cheap store. I got another plastic bucket. Not necessarily for yarn, but maybe. I have these in the smaller size, like this much. So I got a full-size one today for little crochet items and stuff that I want to take from room to room. I got some tostadas, some organic corn, some organic green beans, tofu, pretzels for my other daughter, Nordic sourdough. We tried these on Saturday, and I wished I could have bought all of them. They are so good. I also got, didn't I get 2 of those?
What?
Of the sourdough?
Yeah, I thought you did.
I think you might have taken one of mine home.
I only had 1.
Oh. I don't know what happened to it then, because there's no more bags, right?
I don't think so.
Uh-oh. Alright, well, I'm sure it'll turn up somewhere.
Figure that out. Maybe it's in the car? I don't know.
Who knows? We'll find out. What flavor did you get?
Sea salt.
Oh, because I got 1 jalapeno, 1 sea salt. Alright. We usually do the same cart, so it probably just... Oh no, never mind. It's all the way at the bottom. Ha ha ha, sorry.
Okay.
Some gluten-free bread for me. Some Italian for everybody else. Some mozzarella, vegan of course, and some seaweed snacks for Mark and teriyaki. And I think that's everything. That's everything that we got. Now I have to put all this away. See if I could work on my project for a few more minutes before I have to go because we're filming the rest of the crochet video that's going up today. We really like to cut things close, don't we? We try and plan ahead, but
There's only so much you can do.
there's only so much you can do. We're only 2 people with 4 hands, so we can only make so much. So I better stop gabbing and start going. Oh, hi. What's up?
Just got out of the shower, gearing up for an evening of activity.
Yeah, we have the live stream
We
tonight.
certainly do, and we have mail to open.
Oh, but look who's
goodness.
already asleep.
Can't hang.
Hope I make it to the live stream tonight and beyond.
Yeah, but we have stuff from Connie Daniels,
Mm-hmm.
Catherine B,
Yes.
Tori.
Yes.
So we will be opening your stuff on the live stream tonight. If you guys can't be there, it's okay. You can watch it after.
Right.
But thank you so much in advance. You guys are the
Thank you.
best.
You
You're
guys
so,
are the best.
So generous and thoughtful, and we cannot thank you enough.
We also got a giant box from Isabel Vieira.
Izzy, I know. Oh my god.
And that one is addressed to Granny by Nature, so
Yes.
we're going to do that one on the crochet channel.
Yeah.
So I think the next slot for that would be Monday. That's probably going to go up on Monday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh Oh my goodness.
I know.
Thank you in advance.
We are so not worthy.
You guys are all too good to us.
Yes, that is a fact.
Yes.
We also got some mail a couple weeks ago that I brought home right after we had wrapped the vlog.
Yeah.
And Sean saw it on the table and he busted into it.
I mean, he saw his name on it.
I know. He's really been mooching around the house looking for stuff everywhere now.
Yeah, that was supposed to be opened on a live stream as well, but it kind of slipped through the cracks because he went for it.
Yes. So I think we played a little detective work here.
Okay.
So we got the card.
Look at
with the beautiful gingerbread house and the beautiful, oh my God, the seal on there is everything.
From Deborah. The seal is incredible.
Yes. When I saw that, I was like, oh my God, it's official.
Yeah, it's got like a little Christmas tree on it.
It's beautiful.
It's really, really gorgeous.
It's too classy for us.
I know. Look at this beautiful card.
Oh, I love gingerbread.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Gorgeous.
My dad used to always get those gingerbread windmill. They're not gingerbread. They're, I guess they're speculoos. Windmill cookies.
Right.
Landsmann. For Landsmann.
Yes.
That was Sean's
Landsmann?
nickname.
So the card...
I guess it means something
like a
in
young
German.
man type thing, isn't it?
Oh, is that what it means?
I think it's something like that.
I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. We'll let you guys know.
I think so. The card says, "Hey, Shawnee D, warmest holiday wishes. Merry Christmas. You are an awesome, amazing artist."
Oh, thank you.
With one of your... Wait. Warmest holiday wishes with one of your biggest fans. Love, your number one fan. Oh, Deborah Macias. And I hope I said your name right. And Mom Irma and Sister Julia.
Oh.
So sweet.
Deborah, Irma, and Julia.
Thank you all
Thank
so
you
much.
so much. That was very sweet of you to remember Sean.
Absolutely.
And I believe they also, by hook or by crook, I mean, some came from them and some came from the manufacturer.
Yeah.
But we got some free coupons for Sean
So nice.
to enjoy some stuff at the supermarket.
This is for,
That's like a little golden ticket.
It is. It's got like the gold sparkly on it.
I know.
This is like when we got the Impossible coupons.
Yes.
Is that from you ladies as well?
Yes.
Thank you.
If so, thank you very much.
Yeah.
We use those and we appreciate those.
Absolutely.
And if not, to whoever sent them to us, thank you so much.
Yeah.
That was really sweet.
Yeah, so this coupon is for Eggo, Cheez-It, Pringles, Pop-Tarts, Rice Krispie Treats, all of which he loves.
Yes. I would say he would probably get the Cheez-Its.
Yeah, it's hard to say because he likes all those.
Yeah.
He likes them a lot.
Yeah.
So you guys really nailed it.
Yes,
so
thank
you
you.
so much. Yeah, there's two here because there's the one directly from them as well.
Right.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's awesome.
So he loves to go pick things out every shopping trip.
He's a consumer, just like anybody.
Yeah.
He loves to go shopping. He loves to request things. He just told me he wanted a Monsters Inc. shirt. I'm like, ask me tomorrow.
Ask me tomorrow, but not today.
Yeah. I usually try and put him off by at least one day,
Spread
right?
it out a little
Yeah,
bit.
just to spread it out because he would be asking for things every single day if he could.
Yeah.
Sometimes several times a day.
Yeah, he would.
All right. I have to look up the birthday shout-outs because they're on my phone and I'm using my phone to film right now.
All right.
So,
Do you want to pause?
No. Do a little dance while
Do a little dance. I don't know.
This should be quick.
I'm tired.
I'm tired too. Oh, now it's not recognizing my stone cold fingerprint.
I'm surprised you even set up the fingerprint.
It worked for like really well for like the first.
For what, 24 hours?
Yeah. No, for like the first week.
I remember using the fingerprint scanner on my laptop when I first got it, and then it did not take long for the juices to leave my fingers in the winter.
Yeah,
And
mine's
then
still working pretty
it
good.
didn't work anymore.
Still working pretty good. So today's the 15th, right?
Today is the 15th.
All right, we got nothing today. We got nothing tomorrow. We got nothing on Saturday. But we do have birthday twins on Sunday,
Who
the
you with?
18th. We got Sam Phelps.
Sam, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sam. And we also have Mudsock Girl.
Oh,
Happy birthday, Mudsock Girl.
That's a fun name.
Yeah. And then you know what happens on Monday.
That's Mom's birthday.
Well, first, it's Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday.
Yes.
That's a big one.
Well, I think it's actually today.
It is.
But it's being observed on Monday.
Is it actually today? Or
it was either today or yesterday. Let me see.
Yeah, I think it's tomorrow, actually.
Okay.
I don't know. You may be right.
I saw it pop up.
I hate when they move them around like that. I wish they would just
today.
keep it. Oh, it is today.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So happy heavenly birthday, Martin Luther King Jr.
Yes.
You had a wonderful contribution to the United States.
Yeah.
And it's also my birthday on the 19th.
Baby Janny's birthday.
And how old is baby Janny?
Baby Janny is, let me do the math.
Okay.
61.
Oh,
60 wonderful.
60 wonderful. There you go. I used to try and make my mom feel good about being 100 years old. Well, 91. And say, oh, it's
90 wonderful.
90 wonderful.
She really liked that.
Yeah, she did.
So you're 60 wonderful.
Thanks. So you just blowing smoke?
No.
Okay.
60s are still young.
They don't feel it.
Well, they are. This is not like medieval ages when you're like some medical miracle if you make it past 30.
There was plenty of people back then who made it to ripe old ages.
Yeah.
You know?
I'm sure there were plenty, but there were a lot that did not.
Yeah. What happened?
You die from a simple infection.
I know. How lucky we are to be born at this time when they have a lot of stuff figured out.
Mm.
And the people 100 years from now are going to be like, what's death?
We'll see.
Maybe they'll be able to like keep you going indefinitely.
I don't know if I want to.
I mean, if you could stay as spry as you are now. No?
I just think the body's going to start decaying at some point, even if you're still alive. You know?
Yeah. Yeah, but maybe they can find a way to like slow down your aging so much that it's like
I don't know.
negligible.
Well, we'll see. But happy birthday to all the
Happy
birthday recipients.
Happy day, week, month, year, lifetime birthday happiness.
Yes.
To me too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to have a nice celebration actually on Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday's the party, but then I think we should do something fun on Monday too.
Like work?
I mean, some work, but some play, because Dad's off too.
So is Sean.
Oh, Sean D's off?
Yeah.
So is Sean G.
Oh.
So maybe we'll do a little something, I don't know.
Maybe we should go to the Arboretum or something.
Yeah.
Have a little walkabout. Since we didn't get to go for the Christmas lights.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, maybe that would be fun.
Okay.
If it's not like 1 degree.
Yeah, we gotta see what the weather's like, but it would be nice to do something.
Yeah, little walk or maybe even to the pleasure grounds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
No, it's not some sort of sex palace. It's a park.
Okay.
Yeah, I just said that.
Yes, you always do.
That's for sure. All right, take it away.
All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon. And until then,
Much love. Bye, everybody.